everyone, back with another keto recipe. I've got Philly steak and cheese zucchini boats, and it serves 2 people. Here's what you will need. Around 1 pound of the stir-fry beef, 2 zucchinis, shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 medium red pepper, 1 small onion, cooking olive oil, pink salt, pepper, oregano, and Italian seasoning, a 1 cupper, a tablespoon, and then a cake pan, just a small one, a fry pan, and spatula. Preheat the oven to 350, and let's start by doing our boats. You're going to clean your zucchinis, cut the top and the end off, and then you're going to cut them down the middle. And then you'll see a little video here. You want to slice down the sides on each side. I'm just showing you a demonstration here. And then you'll see you want to do kind of X's going through it. Go down one side and then down the other, so it's easy to clean them out. Then go over the sink and, clean all of the inside out so you have a boat to put your food in. You'll see it right there. They're all cleaned out now and ready to go. Put it in your small cake pan. I did mine in a glass one. And then drizzle over a tablespoon of olive oil. Add heavily pink salt, light pepper, light Italian seasoning, and light oregano flakes. And then pop it into the oven for 15 minutes. While that's cooking, let's cook our steak and our veggies. Turn it on a heat a little higher than medium, and we'll start with the veggies. Let's put 2 tablespoons of the cooking olive oil, and then wash up your red pepper. You want to cut the ends off of that, clean it out, and then chop it up into bite-sized pieces there, and then throw it into your hot oil. And then we want to cut the onion, but you only need half of the onion. It'll be a small one. You just need half. Cut it into bite-sized pieces and throw that into your hot oil over your peppers. Then throw heavily pink salt, light pepper, light Italian seasoning, light oregano flakes. Give it a good stir, and once it's all cooked up, then go ahead and just toss that into a bowl and set it aside. And then add another 2 tablespoons of the olive oil and add your beef steak into there. It's a beef stir-fry steak. Add heavily pink salt, light pepper, and oregano flakes. And once that is all done and cooked up, then you want to take it out, set it on a plate, and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And then throw it back into the pan. Throw your onions and peppers back over the top of that. Give this a good stir. And we're keeping this still on a heat a little higher than medium for about a minute or 2, stirring it all up. And then set it aside. Once your zucchinis are done, the 15 minutes is done, pull them out. There they are there, and we're going to stuff them now. You're going to take the mixture and split it between all 4. Look at how beautiful that looks. And then take a half cup of mozzarella cheese, split between all 4, and sprinkle it across each one. And then just add oregano to it and pop it back into the oven and cook this now for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, pull them out, and they are ready to serve. Look at those beauties. I've got it served up here. It's 2 servings, and wow, these were delicious. You'll see the picture of just one of them there. And one of them, for a plate there that I have, that is actually 10 net carbs. So each boat is 5 net carbs apiece. Absolutely delicious, something your entire family will enjoy, and very low carb. Definitely give this a try, and always keep it keto.